Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello, madam.
Hi.
Hey, please, can I speak with you?
Of course.
Okay.
How may I help you, sir?
Madam, please, I have so much problem. I'm just stranded.
Really?
Yes.
Where are you coming from? This is train station, man.
Yeah.
This is train station.
Yeah. They brought me here. The police people brought me here.
What did you do?
Another man is down. This one is happening in Germany. This our brother here said he's from Anambra state, but he based in Germany. According to him, he has been living in Germany for over 15 years now. And he got married to a German woman. They had been living together. I don't know what happened because he did not disclose what happened between him and the wife. They had an issue, and the wife, the German woman, chased him away from the house. He only left the house with the Ecolag bag that we are seeing in the video, plus little cash and his phone. And he went to stay under the train station, exactly that spot you are seeing him now. Now, the German woman sent the police after him. The police came again and collected the phone and the little cash with him. Now, according to him, he's homeless, cashless, and phoneless. And he's calling for help. So please, if you are watching this video and you are in Germany and you can be able to identify this spot, you can go there and please render help to him. That is if this thing is not acting. Please follow me and watch the video first. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello, madam.
Hi.
Hey, please, can I speak with you?
Of course.
Okay.
How may I help you, sir?
Madam, please, I have so much problem. I'm just stranded.
Really?
Yes.
Where are you coming from? This is train station, man.
Yeah.
This is train station.
Yeah. They brought me here. The police people brought me here.
What did you do?
Yeah. They threw me out of my house.
Jesus.
Yeah.
How? What did you do?
Yeah, my white woman, my Dutch woman sent me away from my house.
Are you serious?
You can see my luggage. I don't have nothing. I have no money. I have nothing remained to me.
On this code?
On this cold weather, this is where I've been sleeping for 5 days.
Jesus!
I have nothing to eat. Please, madam. Please, I'm from Nigeria. I come from Nigeria.
You don't mean it?
Yes. I want to go back to Nigeria.
Jesus Christ, 5 days you have been here.
Yeah, 5 days I have been here. Nothing but I haven't been eating.
Oh my God!
Just give me this water to drink. I've been drinking only water.
Oh my God!
I'm so stressed.
Is this your things?
Yeah, this is my luggage. This is what I have. I left in Germany.
Lord of Jesus.
After 15 years marriage. Yeah, the white woman threw me out of the house. She say I'm African man. I should go back to Africa. Take all my money from my bank account. Send me away.
Blood of Jesus.
Yeah, I don't know what.
If they tell una make una not dey marry or anyhow, una go say una not dey here. What part of Nigeria are you from?
Madam, I'm from Anambra state.
Blood of Jesus. Hey, my people, una brother need help. Oh.
Yeah, I'm Igbo boy.
Igbo boy need help. Oh. Una brother need help. Oh. Una brother. Jesus, 5 days outside inside this school.
Yeah, madam, please, in any way.
Jesus, how can I help you now?
In any way you can help me, please. You can take me home, or you can connect any brother, any Igbo brother in Germany, please.
That is the reason I'm doing this video, so that maybe they will see it and anybody can help you. Guys, please, this our brother need help. Please, if you see this video, make sure you share it for people that can help him. Please, honestly, yeah. You know, you can listen to the video and listen to his story. His story is very, very touching, you know. A lot of them are suffering, so I don't know what to do. Brother, I have biscuit that I was, taking along my children.
Thank you so much.
I don't have much. I don't know. I don't have much, my darling. I could have helped.
Oh, thank you so much, madam.
Manage this one. Hey, Jesus. So,
madam,
you haven't eaten since?
Madam, I haven't eaten for 5 days.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. This is too much. Oh.
Don't mention this. I want to go back to Africa.
Wow, did you guys know how many of our brothers are sleeping in the train station? Just look at the environment. That one has shit right there. Look at everywhere is smelling.
Oh my God.
Hey! Did you know how many of our Africa brother that is suffering like this? A lot in the train station. My God, what is all this? This is too much. Look at this fine man, oh, this fine man like this. This fine man like this. Hey, we better put this one for one soup. Now one chance you enter. Anyway, Sha, I will try and pause this video and see anybody who that knows you. Please, guys, if you know this person, reach out to me. Please, he need help.
I need help.
I need Jesus. I cannot even. Sir, I cannot really help you. If I say I can't take you home right now, I don't know what to do for you.
I don't want to sleep here.
Brother, why didn't you go to Caritas? Because it's of Caritas, yeah, Caritas. Have you not heard of Caritas? Yeah.
I don't know about Caritas.
Caritas is when you go to, when you don't have home, when you don't have any place to go. They help people as well. You can go to Caritas, at least you can, be able to change your clothes. They can give you clothes from jacka. Look at the jacka you are even wearing, your trousers, everything. They can give you something there.
Here in Germany?
Yeah, here in Germany, Caritas.
Please, how can I locate Caritas? Who can take me to Caritas?
You don't have a phone? Do you have phone?
No, I don't have phone. They took my phone, they took my money. Some German boy come here, they beat me up, they take the money, they give to me. Please, madam, I need help.
I want to help this person now. Okay, you know what? Wait for me. I don't know. Wait, my house is not far from here. Wait for me. I will go home and drop these children. We are just coming back from answer. Everybody is tired. So, I will, check Google and see the nearest Caritas from here so that, maybe you can go there and, seek for help. It is better than sitting down here or sleeping down here begging for one naira to eat. It will not help at all. Okay, please, okay. Yeah, but I will save this video. I will make sure that I share it, like I post it so that maybe anybody that knows you can render help, okay? Yeah.
Okay, madam, please, madam,
I will come, don't worry, I will come back. I will come back, okay? Don't worry. Thank you, man. Yeah, thank you. If you come, let's go.
Thank you.
Bye. Jesus Christ, oh, this one don't wake me.
Now, I will not say fear woman, because this look like acting to me. For a while now, so many content creators have been creating content of people that took their wife abroad and their wife chased them away from their house. So I don't know why my spirit is telling me that this is also one of those content, but it is not good because this is misinforming the public. So many people that might think that this is real now, and we start taking it serious. We start giving their own wife woto. Now, you said you are from Anambra State. The last time I checked, Anambra people are always their brother's keeper, and they are always holding meeting in every country they are. Any country you go to, you will see Anambra people holding meeting together. So you from Anambra State, does it mean that you are not part of the meeting, that you are avoiding your statement? Okay, let's just assume that you are avoiding them. Secondly, you have been in Germany for over 16 years or 15 years, according to you. Does it mean that you don't have any friend that will at least give you shelter? Where are your friends? Now, for over 5 days, you have not eaten, and you are still sounding strong and healthy. Now, this one make me not believe all this story. For over 5 days, you have not eaten, and you are still speaking very strong and boldly, and with much energy. It's unbelievable. You have just been drinking only water for the straight 5 days now, and you are not having running stomach. You are not having stomach ache. Normally, if someone did not eat for over 24 hours, and you are drinking only water, that water will even be making you to have stomach ache. And now you have not eaten for 5 days. You are just drinking only water. My brother, stop all these your stories. It does not make sense. It's not adding up to me. Okay, let's just assume that this is even real. How come you did not disclose your location? How can people now locate you to render help to you?